I'll never forget this experience I had. I went into Arizona State University and I just left Gallaudet. And I just got a new roommate. I don't know. Anyway, the three of us, we would. Arizona is very hot. You know, the temperature can get into the 120s, and it was very, very hot at that time. So we went into a mall, and it was a boring place. I didn't bring anything with me, so I didn't have any money. I was just looking around, and I needed to go to the restroom. The person I asked said that they needed to too. So we were looking for the bathroom. Thank goodness no one else was in there. We were right next to each other in the booth, in the stall. So after we were done, we washed our hands, and we looked at each other. And I was wondering, the person I was with asked me, they said, you know, I was wondering, did you know that hearing people can hear bathroom when we're in the stalls together? And I was kind of like, what? No one had ever told me that growing up. You can hear me going to the bathroom? I was mortified, and, you know, they just laughed at me. But ever since then, I've been really careful about when or who I go to the bathroom with. And you know, it's a waste of time. So I don't really care. If I notice someone's next to me, I'll just use the stall down the way. That's just me.